Question and answer. What's motto?
Ayan na.
My motto for today is, ang Diyos ang may awa, ang tao ang may awa.
Okay, very good.
Mali pa? Magkakakamot. Happy birthday, Ateng!
Okay, one,
Asan si Bong? Saan napunta si Bong?
moment is very nice.
Nakakadala.
Nagtatago talaga.
Okay.
Baliw niya. Pumuputi si Bong, no? Ang love yan. Oo nga, pumuputi.
Nagtas mo lahat. 7 years old.
Naapak yung model.
Ah, nagpasingkit nga, tapos ginaganyan mo.
Okay. The second
Akala ko,
one
okay.
is Sharati Coronado. The blouse is pink and the shirt is maroon.
And the sandals is Aram.
The shoes is white. The red is black. Okay. What is motto?
Hindi namin narinig.
Narinig.
The speak is very noisy. Louder. Okay.
What is beauty if your brain is
On
empty?
the corner.
Si Mama Epal eh. Ano daw? Wala na po. Ayan na! Ate Mabel! Ate Mabel!
Wala sa puso.
My name is Cara L. Bernardo.
Ang hina eh.
Okay, thank you. Clap your hand naman tayo dyan, ah. The third contestant, the fashion model is
Oh. Di ba ano?
Geraldine Coronado.
Geraldine.
The house is violet and panties maroon. And the
Ano?
sandals is white. Okay, run again.
Idol! Yan, hindi pa sumali.
What is motto?
I'm hotter than your ex. I'm better than your next.
Very good.
I'm hotter than your ex. I'm better than your next.
My name is Cara Coronado. I live in Atong Bulacan. Thank you.
Round and one again.
Mamadali, mamadali.
Okay, continue naman tayo dyan. Last one. Smuggling.
Nakabakit, ano, papahuan ng hiling eh.
Genepi Coronado.
Yun!
Idol!
Very nice. Very good. That's nice. Like a swimming, yeah? Okay, round again. Okay, one. What is your motto? See? Wow, good girl. And smiles. Okay, now. Okay. Nice girl. What is your motto?
Diamond silver with matching diamond. My name is Ena Coronado. From Matungaw, Bulacan, Bulacan.
Very good. Thank you.
Hindi ako dito eh.
Ah.